artificial intelligence. Once a term of science fiction, AI is now a reality. It's woven into our world, shaping how we live and work. From phone suggestions to social media algorithms, AI is everywhere. But what is AI? It's machines mimicking human intelligence. From recognizing patterns to understanding language, AI can revolutionize industries and address global challenges. But it comes with ethical challenges. A responsible approach can harness AI's power for good. One of the most promising frontiers for AI is in the field of healthcare. With its ability to analyze vast data sets and identify patterns, AI is poised to revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. Imagine a world where algorithms can detect cancer cells in their earliest stages, where personalized treatment plans are created based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, and where robots assist surgeons with complex procedures, enhancing precision and minimizing risks. This is the future that AI promises to unlock in healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools are already being used to detect diseases like cancer and diabetic retinopathy with greater accuracy than traditional methods. AI algorithms are also helping researchers develop new drugs and therapies at an unprecedented pace. The integration of AI into healthcare is not just about improving outcomes, it's also about enhancing efficiency and accessibility. AI-powered virtual assistants can handle administrative tasks, freeing up doctors and nurses to spend more time with patients. Telemedicine platforms powered by AI can connect patients in remote areas with specialists around the world, bridging geographical barriers to healthcare access. Step into the classrooms of the future and you'll likely encounter AI not as a replacement for teachers, but as their invaluable partners in shaping young minds. AI has the potential to personalize the learning experience, making education more engaging, effective, and accessible for all students. Imagine AI-powered tutoring systems that adapt to each student's individual learning style, providing customized support and feedback. Picture classrooms where AI tools help teachers identify students who are struggling and tailor their instruction to meet their specific needs. Beyond personalized learning, AI can automate administrative tasks like grading and scheduling, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring and mentoring their students. AI can also create immersive and interactive learning experiences, making education more engaging for students of all ages. However, the ethical implications of using AI in education must be carefully considered. It's crucial to ensure that AI systems are developed and used in a way that promotes equity and fairness, and that they do not exacerbate existing biases in the education system. Section 4. The business of innovation AI transforming industries. From streamlining operations and automating tasks to creating new products and services, AI is rapidly changing business across industries. Companies embracing AI gain a competitive edge, while those that resist risk being left behind. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots increase efficiency. In retail, AI personalizes shopping experiences, providing tailored recommendations and seamless checkouts. In finance, AI analyzes market trends and manages investments with speed and accuracy. AI automates jobs, raising concerns about displacement, but also creates new jobs and opportunities. As AI takes over routine tasks, it frees workers for creative, strategic, and interpersonal work. Businesses must invest in upskilling their workforce and fostering lifelong learning. By embracing AI for augmentation, businesses can drive innovation, create value, and unlock new growth opportunities. Section 5. Navigating the future, the promise and responsibility of AI. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, it's impossible to predict with certainty what the future holds. But one thing is clear: AI is here to stay, and its impact on our world will only continue to grow in the years to come. While AI offers immense potential for progress, it also presents us with profound ethical challenges. How do we ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly? How do we address concerns about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for job displacement? These are not easy questions, and there are no simple answers. But the global community is beginning to grapple with these issues, working to develop ethical frameworks and policies for AI development and deployment. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's up to us to shape it. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, fostering open dialogue, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a brighter future for all. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.